Want to create stadium-filling anthems like Martin Garrix? Let's break down his signature sound in 90 seconds. Garrix's melodies are instantly recognizable, usually built around simple, catchy hooks. Think of a main motif, then create variations around it, focusing on major keys and uplifting chord progressions. Less is often more. Sound design is key. Garrix favors bright, super saw-based leads, often layered with other synths like plucks and pads. Experiment with unison, deton, and filtering to get that wide, euphoric sound. Don't be afraid to add some noise for texture. Arrangement is all about building tension and release. Start with a minimal intro, gradually introduce elements in the build-up, then unleash the energy in a massive drop. A well-placed breakdown offers a moment of respite before the final push. Garrix's mixes are clean and punchy. Use EQ to carve out space for each element, ensuring they don't clash. Compression adds impact and glue. Reverb creates a sense of space and depth, but use it sparingly to maintain clarity. Sidechain compression is crucial for that signature pumping effect. Apply it from the kick drum to the synths and bass, creating a rhythmic groove that drives the track forward. Experiment with the ratio and release time to find the sweet spot. Automation brings your track to life. Automate filter sweeps, volume changes, and other parameters to create movement and interest. Subtle changes can make a big difference. Mastering is the final polish. Use a limiter to maximize the loudness of your track, but be careful not to overcompress it. Aim for a dynamic and impactful sound that translates well on different systems. Now, go experiment. By understanding these techniques, you can create your own unique take on the Martin Garrix sound and make some truly impactful tracks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more music production tips.